What's up, world? ND tuning in one more time. Y'all saw the prepping of some of the things I was making. We got a pot, kind of big, become my new favorite pot, but I'm about to, double times this recipe. I'm making some walnut kind of beef crumbles-esque type of meal right now, but I got it over medium high, closer to the medium. I'm adding some neutral oil. I'm using, I believe, what is it? Sunflower oil. Yeah. Cool. Put a good amount. We got lots of onions coming through next. So the recipe called 1 onion per portion. I did 2 portions, but I measured out basically an onion and 3/4. One of the onions was pretty pretty huge. So there it is. Right back with the onions. My trusted cutting board. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes. I have a bigger portion of onions to do. So they're damn near translucent. It's time to add the garlic. The recipe called for 4 garlic per portion. So I did about 8. Good amount of garlic right there. Good garlic. For the soul right there. And for the allergies. So we're gonna let that get what would it be? Volatile, aromatic. Get that going. Cook that for another minute or so. See how they do. Building layers to the whole composition. Love it. Oh, I can smell that. Okay. Next is our seasoning. Make sure. Okay. So we called for 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. So when I went out and tried to look for some, I found this, the fajita with the smoke with the mesquite. Added a few other of my favorite spices. Smoked paprika, black pepper, some ground cumin, stuff like that. Okay, so we're about to stir this into the onions. Get it going. I lowered the heat a little bit. Notice it was kind of charring the onions. I don't think they're looking for that. Well, I'm looking for that right now. Okay. Get that going. I believe it's the sun-dried tomatoes. So, I know in the video y'all saw this. So I did about a little less than a half a cup of the sun-dried chipotle paste. And I did also cut up some sun-dried tomatoes in the oil, like the actual tomatoes. A little bit of both. Okay. Get it going. Alright, shit. Ooh, shit's looking good. Alright. Smelling crazy. I think the next step will be the crumbles. Okay. So the crumbles came out looking like this. I saw theirs in the video while I'm referring to Make It Dairy Free. I don't know if I said that yet, but this is based off their recipe, and theirs was a little more ground, but I think my walnuts were a little too still kind of wet from the soak, so trying to avoid it becoming butter. Alright, so I got 2 cups of that into the pot. I'm about to get everything mixed up. Yeah, so I never really done my own little kind of beef crumbles, vegan beef crumbles. I've only bought them at the Morning Star, and my favorites are the chicken patties, chicken nuggets and stuff like that. But actually making them, still haven't to this day. Alright, so we're gonna get it all stirred up. Okay, kind of see the idea coming together. And this was quick, y'all. Other than the prep time, this was cake. Okay. Might end up adding some vegetable stock later on. Being a little dirty. Stir a little too. Alright, y'all. Andy tuning in one more time. Got a slightly different setup. Pretty excited about it. And I'm sitting down right in front of my my tacos here. Man, y'all can see that. Okay. I made 2 regular and 2 with a little bit of vegan cheese in the bottom, like molitas. So, I mean, what it was just walnut crumbles, kind of like beef with the real, I don't know, I tasted a little bit. I cheated, but we'll see what it really tastes like. I got my tortilla. I think white corn with just some guac. I was kind of lazy. I wasn't gonna cut up some cabbage, but things happen, man. I'll give y'all a little taste test on this. Wow. It goes very well with the tortilla and the guac. It feels very natural. I'm not really making it stretch the idea that it's vegan crumbles. The guac is super nice. I made it myself real quick. Just simple, just guac, mash it up with some lemon or lime juice. Added with basically pico and straight salt and pepper. A little garlic though. A little garlic clove and then chopped up real nice. But all in all, man, I'm super happy that I actually made my crumbles and now I know how to. And yeah, man, I'm about to go back and enjoy the salad. Except my grace. I got a little store-bought veggie, what is it, sushi. A little sriracha on top of that. And I'm about to grub, y'all. After that, taste my dessert, let y'all know how it goes. Man, it's Andy tuning in one more time. Appreciate you watching. I appreciate you more if you're actually trying these things at home. And, you know, really taking care of yourself, man. Shout out to you for watching. You know, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace, man. It's Andy.